So here is the one I'm going to use for the tin tomatoes. I have uploaded a video of how I make tomato paste. If you have not watched it, kindly go and watch it. So I removed this one from the one I use for my tin tomatoes. So I'm going to turn it now to ketchup. So these are the ingredients I'm going to add. The first thing I'm going to add is going to be my corn flour, cornstarch, a little cornstarch. Just like 1 tablespoon of cornstarch is okay. So mine is almost finished. Thereafter, we'll add some little salt, like just a pinch of salt. Thereafter, you can add any spice of your choice. Remember, I already added some garlic and all those things, so I'm just adding some spice. Any spice, you can add little Maggi if you want. For me, I don't use Maggi at all to cook, so that's why I'm not going to use it. After that, I'm just going to mix all of them together. The recipe called for sugar, okay? You can add a little sugar, but I didn't add sugar to mine because I already added beetroot, and you all know that beetroot is very, very sweet. So that's it. I'm going to go straight to the next step now. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So I'm going to pour it in my blender right now and blend it very well. We all know that if you're looking at ketchup, it's usually very smooth. So that's the secret. After adding your ingredients, you blend. So you can see it's a little bit not blended well. So I'm going to add water to it. I'm not adding ordinary water. This is the water from the tomatoes. While boiling it, I drained it out. You see it's getting blocked already because I put it in my fridge. Okay, so I'm going to add from this water. This water is actually very sweet, so that's what I'm going to use to blend it. Just add little to it. You can actually use this water to cook your rice. Oh my gosh, don't throw it away after boiling your tomato. It's very delicious. The water is sweet. You will see how red your rice is going to look. It's ready now. I'm going to go ahead and go straight to the next step. You can see how smooth it's looking. See here, this is how it is. Because of the cornstarch and those spices I added, that's why it required this next step. If not, it wouldn't have been necessary. So just put your non-stick pan on the fire and pour it over it like so, and allow it cook. Once it boils, then it's ready, so that the corn flour will be cooked along with it. So I already set my fire now. It's cooking. So this is how I will keep stirring till I feel it's cooked. Once it boils, you can see I didn't add any oil to it, okay? Just in the non-stick. That's why you must use a non-stick pan so that it's not going to burn. You can see how smooth it is. It's looking just like the tomato ketchup. You're going to reduce the fire, the heat, and just cover it and allow it to cook. It's ready now after like 5 minutes of cooking. Just stir it about like twice, and now I want to switch off the fire. So I'll just off the heat now and allow it cool down before I pour it in my container. So our ketchup is ready. You can see it's very easy to make. So I just switch off the fire now, allow it to cool. So it's cooked now. The corn flour we added was the reason why we decided to parboil it again. Remember, the tomatoes was already parboiled before while it was raw, blended, boil again. Now this is the third time. This is the third process. So let's allow it to cool down. You can see it is cool now. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack it. So this was the container I used for the last ketchup I bought. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it to pack this one. Just get a smaller spoon that can go in. Our ketchup is ready. I'll put it in the bread so you'll see. Which ketchup is more than this again? Can you see? I'm going to pack this one in another container. So this is it. You can see how smooth it is here. Ketchup, they pass this one. If you put this in your bread, you will love. The only difference is that there's no sugar added to this, but I like it because it's natural. Beetroot is sweet on its own. So if you want to do yours, if you like to add sugar, go ahead, feel free and add your sugar. For me, this is just the best. So here are they, fully ready. You can see this, see how smooth it is and reddish. So I'm just going to keep them in my fridge anytime I want to eat bread or make some tortilla or shawarma. I'm going to add them. Stay tuned for more video. Please give this video a very big thumbs up. Love you. Bye.